Hey everyone, welcome back to UK Tech Genius, where we simplify the most advanced AI technologies just for you. Today we're diving into an exciting topic: how to train ChatGPT on your own data. If you've ever wanted to customize an AI to fit your specific needs, this video is for you. Let's get started. First, let's get hooked. Imagine having an AI assistant that's trained specifically on the information you care about. Whether it's customer support for your business, personalized tutoring, or even creating unique content. Sounds amazing, right? Well, it's not just a dream anymore. You can actually train ChatGPT on your own data. And today, I'll show you how. Step 1 is gathering your data. You'll need a collection of text data that's relevant to your needs. This could be anything from past chat logs, articles, customer emails, to any text that represents the kind of information you want ChatGPT to learn. The more data you have, the better your AI will become. Make sure your data is clean and well organized. Next, you'll need to prepare your data. This involves formatting it in a way that can be easily processed. Typically, you'll convert your text data into a format like JSON or CSV. Ensure each entry is clearly defined and organized. For example, if you're using customer support emails, make sure each email is separated and labeled properly. Now for the fun part, fine-tuning the model. You'll need access to a machine learning environment. Popular platforms like OpenAI's GPT-3 allow you to fine-tune models using their API. You'll feed your prepared data into the model and let it train. This process can take some time depending on the amount of data and computational power you have, but it's worth the wait. After the model is trained, it's crucial to test it. Interact with your customized ChatGPT and see how well it performs. You may need to iterate, adjusting your data or fine-tuning parameters to get the best results. Remember, training an AI is an ongoing process, and the more you refine it, the better it will serve your specific needs. By the way, if you're finding this information useful, don't forget to subscribe to UK Tech Genius for more AI technology tips and tutorials. We've got a lot more exciting content coming your way. Finally, once you're satisfied with your model's performance, it's time to deploy it. You can integrate your custom-trained ChatGPT into your applications, whether it's a chatbot on your website, an assistant for your team, or any other use case. The possibilities are endless. And there you have it. Training ChatGPT on your own data is a powerful way to tailor AI to your unique needs. It might seem complex at first, but with the right steps, anyone can do it. If you have any questions or need further guidance, drop a comment below, and I'll be happy to help. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to UK Tech Genius, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.